Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel iOS. In today's video, we're going to see how you can use Do Not Disturb mode in Control Center on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is simply scroll down to your control panel from the top right corner of your phone, just like this. Here you can see we have now scrolled down through our control panel. Now we're going to long press on this focus icon that you can see right here. After long pressing on it, here you can see this will now pop up, and in here all of your focus mode will open, from which do not disturb is on the top. So in order to set your phone in do not disturb, all you have to do is tap on it like this. Now here you can see it is now successfully been turned on. Now you can simply tap on the blank space on your screen like this, and again tap on blank space. And here you can see we are back on our home page, and you will be able to see a moon-like icon on the top of your phone. Currently, I am screen recording my phone, so it is not being visible. The moon-like icon will definitely be visible on your phone. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can use your Do Not Disturb mode in Control Center of your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.